What's up everyone, this is Mike from My Gadgets World, and today's video we're going to be updating the LG OLED C10 to the brand new shining update 031130. Before we do that, please make sure to hit subscribe. I'm requesting right now to subscribe because most of the audience that I have on my YouTube channel, they are viewing but not subscribed. Literally, it is free. Try it. Try it right now. Well, guys, thank you so much for supporting me. I almost reached 10,000 subscribers all because of you guys. So if you like the channel and you like LG OLED C10 and you want to get one PlayStation or Xbox Series X, I can give you a good in exchange for the subscribe. So make sure to do that, guys. This is the time. All right. So on my LG OLED C10, I was running the update 031125. This was the update publicly available for everyone, but I downloaded the 031130 from the Korea website because I want to do it for you guys, right? To see what has been fixed in the public update, not the beta update. So this is the public update, but not here in the US region. Since the TV is same, the hardware is same, so I downloaded it, and that's how I've been doing for the updates for the LG OLED. And I apologize for those two freaking lights which are in the background. I can't do really anything about those lights. Well, so with this update, it was about 1 gigabyte of update, and as you can see right here, I skipped through the video because it was a long update. It took almost about 3.5 or 3 3/4, I would say, 3.75 minutes. So that's how long it took to update completely this TV to 031130. So after that update, I had to restart the TV because that's where it applies the update. Installs and then it restarts to take effect. So I can show you that in settings. If I go there, it should be about I think 85% completed. So once it's completed, I was supposed to restart the TV. I'm doing this voiceover, so it's at the later point, but it was at 92%, and then I hit the restart button. Right, guys, so as you can see that the software has been installed, and now I have to restart the computer to make sure to take the update to take effect. Yeah, that's me right there. I use sometimes OLED TV as a mirror also. It's just a joke. I don't use OLED TV as a mirror, but you could use that. Reflections are so good that it looks like a mirror. Well, that's why I prefer OLED to be watched in a dark room without any lights. Well, you can see at the right top corner that this software has been updated. So now, once the software was updated, I went in the Xbox, which was already calibrated on the last update, but I did the update again, and look at the difference. The uncalibrated image, which was calibrated before, is now uncalibrated image, and now calibrated image on the left hand side. This looks totally perfect, proper balance of the contrast, brightness. Look at the sky on the right side and look at the sky on the left side. So I guess they have fixed a lot of things with the raised blacks or the variable refresh rate, causing that elevated blacks or the gray screen kind of one that you were looking at. So that seems to be fixed, and we call it in our language, it's called the gamma. So the gamma was off in the last update, and if you're looking at this update, it has been fixed totally. So I know they're working on another update that Vincent Theo talked about. So I know they're going to be making it more perfect for you guys. Okay, this is the pendulum that I recorded through my camera at 120 FPS. When I was looking at it with my naked eyes, it was moving totally fine. So it was smooth butter. I could literally bring the bread and start eating. It was that butter. All right, so you're gonna see this for a couple of seconds or maybe little over a minute. I'm sure you're gonna fall because of that. So I'll prefer to just skip a little bit maybe. If you want the file, I'll put the link in the description so you can download the file, but please don't fall asleep. If you fall asleep, who's gonna watch my video, right? So make sure you watch till the end because there's an update about one hacker. I have a gameplay for Call of Duty, which I was playing at 120 FPS, 120 Hertz on LG OLED CX, and I used C10, I would say. And right here, I did the setting for the 4K 120 Hertz and made sure the G-Sync was on because this update is about fixing the stuttering on the G-Sync. And holy moly guacamole, you will see my gameplay. Oh man, I should just start streaming, I think. No, I should not because I literally hide all that, getting butchered moments from the gameplay. But no, I kept actually a couple of them there, but I butchered them too. So, it's a good gameplay. You should watch it till the end. And the music, let me know if you enjoy that. I, for the first time, stayed quiet. I stayed myself, be like, hey, shut up, you talk a lot, so just play some music. So there's music for like about 5-7 minutes. So if you guys want to watch this gameplay, that's about it I got. But the gameplay was smooth butter. That's the total essence of this update. It fixed that. No stuttering. It's just shredding. So if you're ready to shred on your LG OLED C10, this is the update. Just wait for it. Or if you want to download, you can download from the LG Korea website. I can't give you the link right here. I don't take any responsibility if you update and anything goes wrong. So I'll just say if you have LG OLED C10, you should be satisfied that there is LG working on it and they are working on each and every issue. And I really love that the way they are doing it. Alright guys, so that's it from this video. If you like it, make sure hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I'll be uploading a whole bunch of videos. Until then, peace out and enjoy this rock solid music. Boom.